Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Craving a taste of something bold and exciting? Then look no further than Goan Chorizo Recheado, a furry pork sausage burst with Goan spices. We are not just enjoying it on its own today though. We are taking this flavor bomb to the next level with a creamy, cooling Goan Chorizo Recheado Mayo dip. The best part, this is surprisingly easy to make, perfect for a quick and delicious appetizer or a party snack. So ditch the boring dip and unleash the furry flavor of Goa with this Goan Chorizo Recheado Mayo dip recipe. Now let's get cooking. So first take about 30 to 40 Goan sausages, then separate the meat. And leave this aside to use it later. Then in a hot pan add oil, add 3 garlic cloves chopped, add 1 inch ginger chopped, add 1 green chili chopped and fry this for few seconds. Then add 3 onion chopped and fry this until the onion is nice and brown, something like this. Then add 1 tomato chopped and fry it until the tomatoes are soft. Then add the Goan sausages and fry it for about 2 to 3 minutes. Add half tablespoon Goan Recheado masala, link is in the description below. Add 1 tablespoon tomato ketchup, half tablespoon sweet chili sauce, 1 teaspoon dark soya sauce, 1/4 teaspoon black pepper powder, 1 stock cube. Add handful of chopped coriander leaves, add some salt to taste and fry this for about 8 to 10 minutes. Then add 1 teaspoon Goan vinegar and fry this for a minute. Then leave this aside and cool it down to room temperature. Then take a mixer jar, add half cup Goan sausage mix which was previously made and then blend this to a smooth paste. Make sure it is something like this. Then remove it in a separate bowl. Then add about 3 tablespoon mayonnaise. Add 2 tablespoons sweet chili sauce and give this a nice mix. And there you have it guys, the perfect party platter, Goan Chorizo Recheado sausages with a creamy and flavorful Goan Chorizo Recheado Mayo dip. Look at those juicy flavorful sausages with that vibrant red recheado peeping out. Dip them in the luscious mayo dip and get ready to an explosion of Goan spice magic. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more exciting and delicious Goan recipes like this one. If you are looking for a vegetarian option, then can easily replace the chorizos with roasted vegetable or paneer. Now go forth and impress your friends with these authentic Goan flavors. Until next time, happy cooking. Bye.